See, Daddy just left this morning. We said bye-bye. Bye-bye. Did you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Dada. Oh, yeah, you're eating your leftover corn dog from last night? And some macaronis? You're a loud chewer like Mama. Liam. Nana. Num num. You wave your hands? Can you shake your arms? Yeah, good job. Hey, Corbin, can you shake your head? Hey, shake your head. Shake your head like Mama. Shake your head. Hey. Num num. Num num. Num num. Eat. Eat. You say Dada? Corbin, can you say Dada? Do not throw your food on the floor. One more and you're done. Hey, eat it. Dada? Uh-oh. No, all done. Bye-bye.